Good morning, Sean. The Queen City and surrounding towns were among those hit by intense storms Monday evening. A tree was uprooted and several others came down on Coolidging Avenue and Rimmer Streets, knocking out power to that area. Both roads were impassable before cleanup crews got there. No injuries were reported. In Bedford, a tree fell on power lines on Campbell Road, partially blocking traffic. Reporting live here along Colding Avenue and Brimmer Street in Manchester, New Hampshire. I'm Riley King for WMUR News 9. Sean, back over to you.